In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use quota nodes to specify how many participants we want to recruit from different groups. Imagine you want to recruit 10 participants who like cats and 10 participants who like dogs. The quota node lets you manage recruitment separately for these two groups, ensuring you end up with exactly 10 participants from each. The first step is to divide your participants into groups. If your participant groups already exist outside of Gorilla, you can add multiple start nodes and use the group setting to define your groups. In this example, the groups are instead created within the Gorilla experiment. The cat or dog questionnaire asks participants if they prefer cats or dogs. Their response is saved to the store and used in the branch node to assign them to a cat or dog group as appropriate. For more on how to set this up, see our branching from a questionnaire tutorial. Once your participants are divided into groups, you can set up your quotas. Add a quota node to your experiment. Select Create New and type in the name of your quota. Click Add Node and drag it onto the experiment tree. Repeat this for all your participant groups. Once you've created all your quota nodes, connect them into your experiment flow. Each group of participants should be directed to their own quota node. Two branches come out of each quota node, an accept branch and a reject branch. Connect the accept branch onto the tasks you want this group of participants to do, and then onto a finish node. Participants will pass down the accept branch until the number specified in your quota has been reached. After that, participants will pass down the reject branch. Here, rejected participants are sent first to a message explaining that the experiment is full, and then onto a reject node. This will reclaim their token to your experiment's allocation. Once you have connected the accept and reject branches of all your quota nodes, commit your experiment. Only committed experiments can be sent to participants. To set the number of participants you want to recruit in each quota, go to the Recruitment tab. Click Change Recruitment Target. In the Recruitment Target box, enter the overall number of participants you want to recruit. Below you will see boxes corresponding to each quota node in your experiment. Enter the number you want to recruit in each quota. Select a source for the tokens and click Confirm. The final step is to set a recruitment policy and any other requirements. Once participants start your study, you will see recruitment progress broken down separately for each of your quotas. Lastly, an important thing to remember about quota nodes is that they are sensitive to participant dropout. If a participant goes through the accept branch of your quota but is then rejected by a time limit or manual rejection, a new space will open up in the quota to replace them. This should ensure you end up with the exact number of complete participant datasets you require from each group.